Hello everyone. This is one of the important question of chapter sets from class 11th NCERT book. Not NCERT, but it is not given in NCERT book, but it is from the chapter sets only. So today we'll be talking that how to solve this question. So let's see. Here what is given. Firstly, we have to understand that there are two sets A and B. Cardinal number of A means number of elements in A, that is NA is equals to M, and NB, that is cardinal number of second set, that is B, is N. Means to say that there are two sets A and B, A having N elements, B having N elements. You have to find out one more condition is given कि number of difference of subsets of A and B is 112. Means to say that you can say number of subsets, if M elements are there, then number of subsets will be 2 power M, and number of subsets in B will be 2 power N. Their difference is equals to 112. This is the question. Now this question we have to solve. So for solving this question, what we have to do, this is the given condition. For solving this question, you have to do only one thing, that out of this one thing you can take common, and that is 2 power n. If you are taking 2 power n common, it could be written like this. See, 2 power m upon 2 power n minus 1 is equals to 112. So you have to take common this number 2 power n. So if you are taking common, then it could be written like this. Now if you will be multiplying, the same thing will be coming. So it means that whatever written here, that is quite correct. After that, what to do? It can be written as 2 power n in bracket. This can be written as 2 power m minus n minus 1 is equals to 112. Now it can be written in this form. The next step is 2 power n in bracket 2 power m minus n whole minus 1 is equals to 112. Now I am going to do one thing. I am factorizing 112. So if I will be factorizing 112, let's see what is coming. 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, then again 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16, again 2, 1 4, again 2, then it is coming 7, and again 7, then it is 1. So it means that the factorization of 112 is giving you 2 power 4 into 7. So now I'll be writing the same thing here. Then I'll be getting 2 power, no need of this. So it can be written as 2 power n in bracket 2 power m minus n minus 1 is equals to 2 power 4 into 7. Now here we can say, if we'll be checking this, then only this one is even and this is odd. This is even, this is odd. Why it is odd? Because this number 2 power mn means 2 power anything is always even, and if you are subtracting 1 out of even number, then you will be getting which type of number? Odd number. It means that this whole is odd and this is even. So you had to equate them. So you can equate it like this. Okay, 2 power n is equals to 2 power 4 and 2 power m minus n minus 1 is equals to 7. Now these two questions will be solving. So we can see here 2 power n is 2 power 4. It implies that n is equals to 4. N is equals to 4. Now the next step. Now here we can see one step is this, and another part will be solving. Then 2 power m minus 1 2 power m minus n is equals to 7 plus this one is transposed there, then it is 8. It can be written as 2 power m minus n is equals to 2 power 3. Now this is implying that m minus n is equals to 3. Again from here we can say m is equals to 3 plus n. m is equals to 3 plus n. So if m is equals to 3 plus n and n is equals to 4, so we can write m is equals to 3 plus 4, which is equals to 7. So value of m is 7 and value of n is 4. This is the answer. This is the answer of this question. It means that which option out of this is correct? This is 7 4. This option is correct. This option is correct. Now you can apply and you can check also. So I'm going to verify also. If A having 7 elements, B having 4 elements, then how this is true that their difference of their subsets is 112. So see, it can be written as 2 power number of subsets of set A is equals to 2 power 7. So it is coming 128. You can check, you'll be getting 128 only. Now again, subsets of set B is equals to 2 power 4 and this is equals to 16. Now what will be their difference? Difference is equals to 128 minus 16 and that is equals to 112. See, and hence you can say this is the right answer. So this was the complete solution of this very important question. It is quite different and I think this is one of the best question out of the selected one. Thank you.